Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at an all-in-one kitchen powerhouse that goes way beyond a typical air fryer, the NUWAVE Bravo XL Air Fryer Convection Toaster Oven. If you're someone who wants one device to handle almost everything, this might be exactly what you're looking for. With a massive 30-quart capacity, this unit is built for families, meal prep, or anyone who loves cooking bigger portions. You can fit a whole chicken, multiple trays, or even a large pizza with ease. What really makes the Bravo XL stand out is its 12-in-1 functionality. This isn't just marketing, you get air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, toasting, dehydrating, and even grilling capabilities. It's essentially replacing multiple kitchen appliances in one compact countertop unit. Now let's talk about precision. The adjustable heating zones are a game changer. You can control the top and bottom heaters independently, which means you can fine-tune how your food cooks. Want a crispy top with a softer base? No problem. This level of control is something most air fryers simply don't offer. Temperature control ranges from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you incredible flexibility whether you're dehydrating fruits or searing meats. And thanks to its convection technology, hot air circulates evenly inside, delivering consistent cooking results every time. Another standout feature is the Smart Grill function, designed to give your food those authentic grill marks and flavors, something you don't usually expect from a countertop appliance. It's perfect for steaks, sandwiches, and more. The stainless steel design gives it a premium, durable look, while the digital controls are intuitive and easy to use. Despite its power, it's surprisingly user-friendly, even if you're new to multifunction ovens. Cleaning is also manageable, with removable trays and racks that make maintenance easier. So if you want a versatile, high-capacity, and precision-focused cooking machine, the NUWAVE Bravo XL is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description to grab yours, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more honest reviews like this.